that's what I do. I normally have a hairband or a hair clip. You're supposed to tap the sunblock in instead of like spreading. So today is Vlogmas day 4 and we'll be doing a little unboxing video. I just received my package from Itay after 2 weeks of delay due to bad weather. I'm very excited to try out some new products. So before that, let me just go get my face cleansed and we'll carry on with the unboxing. Alright guys, so my face is now cleansed. I'm using the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Cleanser. This is for sensitive skin. So I alternate between two cleansers, the Aveeno one and the simple age-resisting regeneration facial wash. This simple one I use on days when I'm back from a whole day of being outside with all the grime and product on my face. I will normally use it along with my Foreo. This is kind of like a gel cleanser, so it really works well with the Foreo. So that's for the cleansing part. Let's move on to the unboxing of the products. Normally, the first thing that I do right after cleansing my face is to put an essence on my face. I read online that an essence can possibly replace a toner, which I never use. Before this, I was using the Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I normally get them from Sephora back in Singapore. But on YesStyle Beauty, I actually saw this ginseng essence water from Beauty of Joseon. And that's the same brand of my favorite serum from them. So I thought to give it a shot and see how it works on my skin. So normally, I will get my hair out of the way. I'm not sure if this is a good look, but that's what I do. I normally have a hairband or a hair clip. I'm using like 3 drops. It definitely feels more watery than the Fresh Kombucha one. I'm hoping it will help with the absorption of the skincare products that I'm going to put on my skin after this. So if I'm heading out, I will use the simple Kind to Skin moisturizer that I use almost on a daily basis back when I was in Singapore. And I found the same thing here in the drugstore, I think at Shoppers. Normally 1 small pump is enough for the whole face. So if I'm heading out, I'll definitely be using some sunblock as well. I've been using sunblock since I was 14. Because I get spots and freckles so easily, sunblock is actually very crucial for me. These two are the ones that I brought from Singapore. This is the Carnival Alley sunblock. This is the moist gel type, and this is the extra strength cream sunblock. This one, I have used it for quite a few years now. It's my favorite. I haven't found any online store that sells this, but the hunt continues. So I'll normally just squeeze out a little bit on my fingers and start applying on my face. I read somewhere that you're supposed to tap the sunblock in instead of like spreading them with your fingers. So that's what I've been doing, but I don't know what's the exact reason for this. Maybe it helps with the absorption or the coverage. I'm not quite sure. So yes, normally that would be it. After the sunblock, I won't pile on anything else on my face. I'll just be ready to head out. And for my normal nighttime routine, after the essence, I'll normally alternate between these two. This is the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. I've used about 1/3 of this cream. I'll use this on nights that I really need like a deep moisture. And on other nights, I'll use the Time Treasure Emulsion from Suwasu. I got 6 bottles of this from the Amore Pacific Friends and Family sale back in Singapore. It's quite a light texture and it's good for even the neck area, so highly recommended. So those are the products for my face. I know it's a lot, but I didn't want to take any chances, especially in this dry weather here in Canada. Let's continue with the unboxing. So as I was saying, this is the serum that I got from Beauty of Joseon. This is the Ginseng Repair Serum with Snail Mucin. This one lasted me for about 2.5 months. I got a restock from YesStyle. So this one is part of my nighttime routine. It's the last thing that goes on my face after all the essence and moisturizers. Moving on to the night creams and moisturizers. So I got these 2 new products from YesStyle. This is the Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. On Amazon, there's a bit of a mixed review on this one. People are saying that it causes allergic reactions. I'm not quite sure, I haven't tried it yet. Definitely excited to try something that will help hydrate my skin in the cold weather. Yeah, so it has kind of like a thick gel cream kind of consistency. I'll probably be trying this out tonight and I'll report back if it causes any problem for my skin. And this is the Joan Day Joan Night Vita Duo Cream from Neogen. This is a Korean skincare brand. So the day cream looks a little thicker. It's like a butter consistency, and on the right is the night cream, which is like a gel-like consistency. The night cream has kind of like a lavender scent, which is nice, and it says it contains vitamin E as well. So those are the 4 items I got from Yes Style. And for moisturizing my body, I have 2 products. One is the Go Nuts Shea Butter and Sweet Almond Oil that my sister made for me. Thanks sis if you're watching this. I'm not sure if you guys smelled shea butter before, but it has kind of like a strong, nutty scent to it. It takes some time to get used to, but I love it. And the other one is the Aveeno Skin Relieving Moisturizing Lotion. I try to use products that are fragrance-free or have minimum fragrance because I didn't want any allergic reaction to happen to my skin. I actually stocked up on this from Canadian Superstore, and I'll be sharing these with my parents when they come here to visit. And for hair and lip, these are the only 2 items that I use. This is the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Lip Balm. And this is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Oil. This is extremely good for my hair because I have very coarse and dry hair. So that's it for today's K-Beauty unboxing and winter skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas episode, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.